हाय दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप सब खुश हैं, मंगल है। और आज हम एक नया वीडियो रिलीज करने वाले हैं।
हमारा सेकेंड वीडियो।
सेकेंड वीडियो एग्जैक्टली। तो आज की वीडियो में हम ये बात करेंगे कि हमने क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखी बिफोर वी गॉट प्रेग्नेंट। तो बोथ ऑफ अस
So
आर
basically, how did we plan for our pregnancy?
Yes. So both of us are in our 30s and usually women को बोला जाता है कि their biological clock is ticking, and so with the men do not have so much of क्या बोले pressure, like to make kids as such, but for women especially once they cross the age of 35 तो बहुत ही एक pressure आ जाता है.
That's true.
And especially in this age and generation where women are likely to मेक श्योर कि उनका करियर सही चल रहा है, पहले एजुकेशन हो जाए, उसके बाद करियर सेट हो, एंड देन वी हैव आवर ओन ड्रीम्स एंड एस्पिरेशंस. तो इसमें कभी कभी ये भी हो जाता है कि योर मैरिज ऑल्सो गेट्स डिलेड. एट टाइम्स योर मैरिज माइट बी यू माइट बी मैरिड बट देन स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क एंड अदर थिंग्स अराउंड, एंड देन यू फील ओके नाउ इट्स द टाइम टू create children and raise them. And I think now it is accepted as well because all of us are ambitious. हमें कुछ ना कुछ एक we want to kind of prove our worth, and for this purpose itself we also get very scared or anxious कि अब क्या होगा, now we have crossed that age, will we be able to do it or not. तो ये सारे questions भी आते रहते हैं which every couple usually has.
And it's not like कि अगर हमने आज सोचा कि okay, now we want to have a baby, तो instantly, and it's not completely in our control कि हमने आज सोचा और plan किया कि okay, next 3 months में we should conceive or we will conceive. So it's not gonna happen. It's not completely in our control. So there are few things that we need to take care of to when we start planning for a baby.
Right. So basically we thought कि पहले एक साल once we got married we thought 1 year we'll give to our marriage, and post that we will try doing it. So
And I believe that is very important. I mean पहले के टाइम में जैसा होता था, okay, once you get married तो instantly family का pressure, society का pressure, आपके relatives, friend circle का pressure ऐसा होता था. That okay, now you get married, that okay, the next natural step would be to have a baby instantly, right? Like waiting for a year or two, it was out of equation. But अभी ऐसा नहीं है. So at least I believe एक साल तो आपको देना चाहिए एक दूसरे को to enjoy that married life.
To enjoy that phase, and also you get to know each other.
Correct.
Because this is the time when you are living with each other actually, right?
Correct.
Before marriage it's like you're in the dating phase and all of that. Like when you're actually in the marriage, when you're living together, is that you get to know how the other person is, unke likes, dislikes, and we kind of adjust also ourselves to the surroundings.
Because that itself is a major step, like getting married. Then again stepping on to another major step, that okay, having a baby, okay, you need some time for that to decide.
So yeah, we gave ourselves like one year time. उसके बाद we thought कि we will plan for it. So this was a planned pregnancy for both of us, and हमने मतलब पहले क्या किया था कि we took like a series of tests. So especially in India, to be honest, in a very I'm not even proud of it. हमारे इसमें sex education के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बोला नहीं जाता है. You do not know how your body operates, how you can actually have sex or anything. It's just that you reach out to people, you reach out to friends, तुम कुछ videos देख लो, तुम समझ लोगे ऐसा वैसा, and it's always like a hit and try. And वो कभी वो kind of culture भी नहीं है, and everybody just looks down on you if you want to kind of you can't openly talk about it, right? वैसा है, it's always in a hush hush thing. तो पहले हमने क्या किया कि because even when to know about our own bodies, it's not comfortable as well. It takes time and it takes patience and lot of research and reading कि क्या है with regarding your own body itself, how your own reproductive system works. हमने बायोलॉजी में कभी स्कूल में पढ़ा था, उसके बाद तो बिल्कुल फिर it's a topic which nobody openly talks about. Maybe now people are opening up, but still I think in a major part of our country, including metros as well, बहुत ही कम लोग होंगे जो इसके बारे में ओपनली बात करते होंगे. And
नॉर्मली हम लोग ऐसे मूवीज में देखते हैं या सुनते हो कि ओके सुहाग रात हुई एंड देन ओके तो आई बिकम प्रेग्नेंट. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट.
exactly.
It needs a proper calculation. It's a science.
So first, what we thought is we go to a gynac. So since we are in
That is
US,
very important.
what we did is we went to a gynac, and then we asked her a set of questions. तो उसमें पहली बात तो मैंने बिफोर कमिंग हियर टू यूएस मैंने इंडिया में ही अपने लाइक रूटीन एक ब्लड टेस्ट करवाया था, लाइक एन एनुअल बॉडी चेकअप, जिसमें तुम्हारा थायराइड फंक्शन, बीट विद विटामिन, हेमोग्लोबिन, and even the AMH
Overall,
level.
like CBC and all
Yeah.
complete thing.
So, but the main thing for me in terms of getting pregnant was seeing how my AMH level is, and I think my AMH level was around 3, which is a good, a good level.
And
to
also
be.
tell them what is that AMH level, why it is important.
मुझे ज़्यादा तो नहीं पता about AMH, but what I can say is it determines the level of quality of egg. तो मतलब
That's
अगर
right.
तुम्हारा एग क्वालिटी अच्छा है तो तुम्हारा AMH भी अच्छा रहेगा. अगर AMH बहुत ही कम है, किसी किसी का अगर 1 भी है, you can bring it up. Of course, you will have certain methods or foods or exercise or dieting, but there'll be like certain lifestyle changes that you need to do to make sure that you bring your AMH level up. And maybe but मेरे इसमें expertise नहीं है, but basically what I wanted to make sure is my AMH level, that is my quality of egg, is still better at this particular age. So वो मैंने एक टेस्ट करवाया था. And also your routine blood test जो हम लेते हैं, like hemoglobin, विटामिन का, कैल्शियम का, एंड ऑल दैट सॉर्ट. विवेक, what did you do any kind of blood test as such?
I mean, from our side, for a male partner, basically, there are two things, right? One is the sperm count, and second is the quality of sperm, right? But that is required at a later stage if you are not able to conceive naturally, or if you are trying for like 3-4 months or 6 months and still you are not able to conceive, then usually the doctor suggests to go and meet like fertility expert, and then they advise you to go for certain tests. But initially I don't think हमें मतलब मुझे टेस्ट की कोई ज़रूरत थी. It's like a normal overall health checkup, right? Like blood test, the sugar level, and normal CBC thing, that's it.
And the first time when we actually visited a gynac here in the US, we did ask her, like, do we have to take tests for Vivek as well? And she suggested, like, try for a year, try from 6 months to a year. And in case if you don't see anything happening, we can get tests done. Like we can go. She can refer us to a fertility specialist, and then we can take it from there. And then she might run a couple of tests like.
और यहाँ पे it's very important to emphasize कि you need to be patient. It's not like you started today that okay, you have planned that okay, we'll start planning today, and within a month or 2 महीने, 3 महीने, 4 महीने, 5 महीने के अंदर it must happen. It might take anywhere from 3 months to 6 months or even an year to get pregnant, right? So you need to be patient. Even that's what the doctor suggested in our first visit कि हमें patience रखना है. It's not like कि अगर हमने आज start किया तो next month हम anxious होने लगे, ओ 1 महीने हो गए, 2 महीने, 3 महीने हो गए, अभी तक कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So yeah, it takes time and it differs. I mean, from one person to another. So that is an important thing.
तो once we made sure कि हमारे टेस्ट ठीक है आए हैं, उसका टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स ठीक था. So the next thing we did is we gave ourselves like 6 months कि let's see, like every month we had to trace. The next thing was to trace the ovulation cycle. And ovulation cycle में क्या है कि you have like this 5 days का period wherein you can try for multiple times in a day, yeah, once in 2 days, but you have to make sure that you have sex at least during that particular time. Otherwise pregnancy का कोई scope नहीं है. वो period काफ़ी ही crucial होता है. Now there are times when मैं ovulation का वो period लेके I would have we would have thought ठीक है today is the day या वैसा, लेकिन क्या होता है कि it's not exact, like we are in that phase कि ये नहीं कि mood आसानी से बन जाता है. You might be tired, you might have something else going on in your life, and you might not feel like doing it. at times maybe the माहौल सब set है, but still it might not work out. You never know कि उस month में किया या उस time पे किया, even when the timing is right, it might not lead to a proper this thing. It might not
Correct.
lead
I mean,
to
it could be stressful as well. I mean, when you know that, okay, you have to do it on that particular time, on that particular day, it might be stressful. So, जो result आने चाहिए, जो expected result है, वो शायद नहीं आए. So, सबसे important ये है, okay, to know that, okay, when you have to do it. So, as she mentions, I mean, the ovulation period, okay, you have to do sex during the ovulation period. So, उसका stress नहीं होना चाहिए, okay. Feel relaxed, go out, have a lovely dinner, spend some quality time, so that जब आप actual उस moment में आए, intimacy moment में, तो you should feel relaxed. Then only it will produce the expected result. Otherwise, if you are too stressed and just having sex, okay, it might not produce the expected result. So that's very important to feel to be stress free and बहुत ज़्यादा pressure नहीं लेने का.
and not to think about it, like just not think about okay we're doing it for the sake of doing it. So keep that वो result oriented वाला approach ना रखे. I know we are like we Indians are very much कि आज ये किया तो ये होना ही चाहिए. At least वैसा तो नहीं approach नहीं रखना होगा. Just keep it like very light and don't expect anything out of this. तो वैसा है. And also the thing is मैं पहले क्या करती थी कि मैं अपने हिसाब से okay आज मेरा ये period हो गया तो प्लस 13 days करके एवोल्यूशन मैंने पीरियड निकाल दिया एंड देन लाइक दैट. बट व्हाट नेक्स्ट आई डिड इज एंड इट वाज नॉट वर्किंग आउट दैट वे व्हेन आई ट्राइड इट फॉर 2 or 3 months. सो पोस्ट विच आई रीच्ड आउट टू अ फ्रेंड एंड उसने बताया कि यू कैन मे बी यूज एन एप्पल में क्या यूज एन आईफोन. सो उसमें एक हेल्थ ऐप है, सो यू कैन मेंशन कि तुम्हारे लास्ट पीरियड कब था एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट इट विल ट्रैक योर ओवुलेशन साइकिल. तो मैंने वो किया. अभी काफ़ी एप्स भी है इन द मार्केट विच यू कैन यूज टू जस्ट ट्रैक योर ओवुलेशन साइकिल. सो वंस यू नो दैट एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर बॉडी इन अ वे कि योर बॉडी ऑल्सो विल गिव यू सिम्टम. ठीक है आज कुछ usually what happens especially for women, at least for my sake, what I've seen is before the ovulation period starts you start getting like a kind of vaginal discharge and that's one cue for you कि ठीक है अभी ovulation period शायद start होने वाला है. So trust your body, trust your gut, and also like you might feel horny also at times. Okay, it's the way your body is, and
That is good enough.
it's the you have to kind of trust and understand how your body is actually if your body is calm, if it's going it's stress free and it's working according to how the ovulation phase should look like when you feel like having sex and you feel like कि हाँ अभी you feel very horny, you feel very attracted, ठीक है आज करना है, then you might be in that mood and it's a perfect setting for you to get pregnant. So make sure you trust your body, trust your instincts, and if you feel कि ठीक है I think I feel today it's everything is working fine, let's just go for it. And even if your partner is feeling ठीक है आज माहौल सेट है, then go ahead and do it. तो हमारा तो ये था like I mean once I set that thing in वो अपना आईफोन में, and I think then things worked out, and I think after 2 or 3 months we kind of got the result. तो ये था हमारा process as such, and we are not being very we do not want to be shy about it. This is something which everybody should know of. I especially felt so embarrassed कि even when you're in 30 you do not know कि ठीक है कब कब ये सेक्स करना है, कब कैसे प्रेगनेंसी होती है, क्या होता है. यू कम्प्लीटली सो अनअवेयर बिकॉज ये सब चीज़ें हमें नहीं बताई जाती है. इट्स जस्ट यू रीच आउट टू योर फ्रेंड्स कोई एंड यू कांट डिस्कस विद योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स ऑल्सो, राइट. आई मीन मैं मम्मी से थोड़ी पूछूंगी कि क्या करना है एंड ऑल दैट. So it's especially your friends and
But I believe ideally mothers should talk to their daughters when they are getting married. So
if
these
they're
things are
comfortable,
important.
yeah. If again वही comfort की बात, not everybody is comfortable talking about it, but I'm just saying कि ये information इतना openly नहीं बोलते हैं and nobody like encourages it. It's only when you are married and maybe you're trying for a baby then you feel ठीक है, then you kind of तुम्हारा अप्रोच ठीक है थोड़ा और ये हो जाता है कि ठीक है अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ.
But I think most important step है एक गायनेक से मिलना. Whenever you think that okay we should plan,
we are ready,
right, we are ready. It's very important to meet a gynac. even if you are unaware of so many things कि ovulation period, ovulation क्या होता है, कब होता है और कब सेक्स करना चाहिए, कितनी frequency होनी चाहिए, and many other things, some other tests that needs to be done on your body. So all those clarification needs to be you need to get it from your gynaec. That is very important.
Yeah, and you don't have to be shy about it. I mean, this is your own body.
Correct.
And you want to get pregnant. So even if you have any questions which you feel is stupid enough, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. Doctors are there to help you
Correct.
out, and जो तुम्हें questions है बेझिझक आप पूछ सकते हैं, and end of the day they are there to make you feel comfortable and help you out with this entire process. And I think we also made sure that we stay away from alcohol.
And the prenatal.
We stay away from alcohol, so at least मतलब जब से हमने decide किया कि from now on we should try, तो हमने alcohol से we stayed away from that. Smoking तो हम करते नहीं है वैसे. And also be physically active. तो जैसे विवेक is like he likes going into the gym, उसे उसमें interest है, so I started going to dance classes, Pilates, so that way I was active. And then we also used to go for walks, so that way we used to be like physically active, so that ऐसा भी नहीं हो कि हमारा एक sedentary lifestyle रहे. And I also started taking prenatal before getting pregnant, because there are क्योंकि आजकल के खाने में क्या है कि you don't get all the nutrients. हमारे body में कुछ ना कुछ nutritional deficiencies तो होते ही हैं. So I made sure that I start taking prenatals much before I got pregnant. So
यहाँ पे US में there is a single tablet prenatal multivitamin. So उसमें काफ़ी सारे inclusions होते हैं. So it has multivitamin, then it has zinc, iron, folic acid. So basically whatever supplements are required, right, to conceive. So all those things are included in a single tablet, and यहाँ पे उसे prenatal supplement या prenatal multivitamin tablets बोलते हैं. इंडिया में usually you have to take it separately, but यहाँ पे in a single dose you can get it, all the required supplements. But that is very, very important. So it starts when you plan for conceive, and you have to take it, I think, throughout the pregnancy and even post pregnancy for quite some time. So that is very vital and very important.
And thankfully, like after 6 months, we got the good news. I did have an ovulation kit and pregnancy kit मेरे पास था घर पे already. And how I noticed is मेरा एक missed period था. तो जनरली मेरे periods on time रहते हैं, या अगर हो सके तो शायद उससे पहले हो जाता है. But in this case क्या हुआ कि वो थोड़ा delayed चल रहा था, and which I thought maybe I might be pregnant. So I waited for like 3 or 4 days, and post which फिर बाद में one morning when I woke up, तो usually बोलते हैं कि especially जो HCG level होता है, that is your that वो पता चलता है कि आप pregnant हो या नहीं.
Indicator of pregnancy basically.
तो वो early मतलब जब आप सुबह उठते हैं तो that time it's very strong, वो level काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहता है. So when I woke up in the morning, मैंने test किया, and then I got the result that time. तो
वो कोविड के जैसा स्ट्रिप होता है ना, वैसा दिखता है.
एक्चुअली डिफरेंट अलग अलग भी रहते हैं ऐसे. मैंने तो बहुत ही बेसिक एक स्ट्रिप लिया था, बट जब पता चला तो मैं तो रोने लगी, क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब द थिंग इज टू एक्सेप्ट दैट थिंग कि ओके इट्स एक्चुअली हैपनिंग वाज वेरी न्यू, एंड
you don't know how to react. पहले तो यकीन नहीं होता है कि it actually happened. So yeah, it was a very overwhelming moment, kind of. We didn't know how to react.
And वो process करना ही थोड़ा मुझे मतलब I knew कि I might be pregnant like before doing the test, because because of the delayed period, but then to process and to actually accept the fact that yes, I am pregnant, and it's a completely it's a milestone as well, and it's a life changing journey for you right now you have to make sure कि तुम अभी you have to take care of yourself and the upcoming baby.
और उस मोमेंट पे काफी बातें एक साथ चलते थे, right? One thing is okay, आपकी एज इतनी हो गई है, then you have PCOD, then you have such a sedentary lifestyle, कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि इसमें तो पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है अगर आप इस तरह से रहोगे तो, एंड डिस्पाइट ऑल दोज एक्सटर्नल नॉइसेस वंस यू गेट दैट रिजल्ट तो उसकी फीलिंग ही अलग होती है, ऑल दोज थिंग्स कम्स टू द माइंड एट द सेम टाइम.
Oh yes, I forgot to mention the fact कि मुझे PCOS भी है. So I've been dealing with PCOS from the age of 16. But जब मैं यहाँ पे आई, US में आई, and मैंने कहा कि मेरा ऐसा PCOS का है सीन है, the doctor said that as long as you're getting regular periods, that means you do not have PCOS. अभी US डॉक्टर्स का मानना है. जब मैंने स्कैन किया था, लाइक whenever अल्ट्रासाउंड मैंने किया है इंडिया में, तो वो पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी तो है ही. सो आई कैन नॉट डिनाई दैट फैक्ट कि मुझे PCOS नहीं है. बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग PCOS, आई वाज स्टिल एबल टू बिकम प्रेग्नेंट. सो आई थिंक वी शुड नॉट कंसिडर दैट एज एन हिंड्रेंस as long as you have regular periods is what I would want to say.
Even, I mean, for that matter, the weight, right? There is a combination of weight, age, then all this PCOD and other things. तो लोग generally ऐसा एक assumption है या फिर लोग ऐसा फोर्स करेंगे आपको कि नो, इफ यू आर ओवरवेट, इफ यू आर ओबेस, और इफ यू आर हैविंग PCOD या फिर 35 प्लस एज एंड ऑल. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी टफ और नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. यू नीड टू think about other alternatives like IVF and surrogacy and so many other things. So all those things are rubbish. Talk to your doctor. They are the best one to advise कि क्या करना चाहिए, आपकी बॉडी रेडी है या नहीं, अगर कुछ कमी है तो उसको कैसे एड्रेस करना है. So that's very important.
And यहाँ पे US में conceiving at the age of 35 also and above is very common. And there are so many single independent women who actually can are doing this. So it's not कि मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ कि age is not a factor, but do not make age as an hindrance if you're planning to conceive as well. So like बढ़ते हुए, so once we got to know about the news about the pregnancy, and thankfully that time my family was also there, so even they were very happy to kind of receive the news. And my mom also was kind of telling me ki now it's time to get pregnant, because again the thing of age wahi
like a typical Indian mom.
So thankfully to like all of us were in a happy space. And of course मैंने वो ये प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट तो लिया ही था, बट टू कंफर्म ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट फिर हमने एक ब्लड टेस्ट लिया था
HCG लेवल के लिए.
HCG जस्ट टू कंफर्म कि क्या है HCG लेवल. एंड कुछ आई थिंक 11,000 कुछ आया था, या पता नहीं कुछ 60. तो हाँ, आई कैन जस्ट से, तो वो जो तो ब्लड टेस्ट थ्रू ऑल्सो वी कुड कंफर्म द HCG लेवल, which finally I got to know कि we are pregnant. And then later I found out कि ज़रूरी भी नहीं है. I mean we could just हमारा first visit हम गायना के पास जा सकते हैं, and then they'll do the ultrasound. But US में क्या है कि you cannot visit the gynec before 8 weeks.
6 weeks.
6 weeks?
6 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah,
before
6 to 7 weeks. Yeah.
Before 6 to 7 weeks. So for our own sake and हमारे तसल्ली के लिए we made sure that we do the blood test. And वो हमने किया, and we will share our next part of the journey in our upcoming videos. Hope you guys liked it. ये हमने दिल से हमारी जो है
first hand experience
और दिल से जो हमारे व्यूज है, ओपिनियंस है, वो शेयर किए. मतलब this is something which is a taboo, which is not even spoken of, like when you plan for a pregnancy and such. And we hope कि हमने थोड़ा मतलब अपना जो knowledge है थोड़ा share करके आपको भी थोड़ा जागरूक किया है.
थोड़े doubts clear हुए होंगे, थोड़े questions answered हुए रहेंगे. But still, if you have any further queries, you can always put in the comments.
Yeah. And this is our try of making sure कि हम जो knowledge gain कर रहे हैं या जो values है, जो opinions है, वो अपना हम आपके साथ share कर रहे हैं. If you have anything to add or anything else to say, please to comment, comment, and we'll be happy to answer them and
absolutely
help you out. So that's it, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Take care.